Welcome to the ArtCenter Library Guerrilla Tutorials. My name is Michelle, and I'll be your trainer today. I wanted to show you the Internet Archive. It is basically a digital library offering free and borrowable books, images, and more. I'll be showing you how to search the website, how to preview a book, how to zoom into an image, and how to borrow a book. So in the upper right-hand corner, you can already see that I'm logged in as Michelle. I've searched John Singer Sargent. My results are below. I have 206 results. I have lectures, I have books, I have articles, and I have images. I'd like to take a look at this book. Here you can flip right and flip left to preview the book. I like this image, so I'd like to see if I can zoom in. These two tools will allow me to zoom in, to take a closer look at the image, and to zoom out. I've decided that I'd like to borrow this book, but I've actually already borrowed it. So now I'm just going to simply return the book. But before I do that, I wanted to show you this is downloadable. I can actually search inside the book. So now I'm going to show you how to return it. Simply click on Return, and it goes back into its queue. So thank you for taking the time to look at this video.